Hello coders, so this is a tutorial to get you to submit your solutions on our GitHub repository which Siddhant Bhaiya has so selflessly provided. So you can here sign into your GitHub profile and then head over to the CodeShare VIT Bhopal and click on the resource buffer. You don't have to do it actually, we'll provide you the link which will get you directly to here. So here you can read the instructions which we have provided, and here are the links for easy access. So now head over to the week 1, head over to the resources and just go through these resources which we have provided. Now after reading them, you can head over to the problem set. Click on the problem that you want to view. These are the questions. Click on the problem that you want to view. And just go through the problems, work out your solutions. Now to submit the solutions, go to the general solutions. And you can see there's a tab called add file. Here click on the create new file and just type in your file name with the format that we've provided in the instructions. Now just write copy paste here to copy paste your code that you've written, and then click on the propose new file button. And click on the create pull request tab. So this will create a pull request and your job here is done. Now we'll be able to view this pull request and you're done for the day. Thank you.